Hello guys, we're in a big boat. Big boat. Dad, say hello to the camera. I'm gonna show my friends. Hello. Big boat. Right there too. On the River Thames at the moment. So yeah, see you guys soon.
In Greenwich, they asked if there would be a live commentary.
Yes.
Unfortunately, we don't have any professional guides on board the boat, but I'll try and do is point out a few various places and items of interest. Please do bear with me as I do this, though, folks. I'm not a professional tour guide, just a member of the crew. I'll start off with the gateway to the city, Canary Bridge, we're just passing through, designed by a man called Sir John Wolfe Barry. Finished construction.
Alright guys, we just got off the boat. We are on the docks. We'll be getting off very shortly. Everyone's coming through. We have been chilling. But been chilling. So we're gonna get going in a minute, so stay tuned. Hello everyone. We are back. We are off the boat. We are travelling. Alright. We're gonna head to Forbidden Planet now. And yeah, stay tuned. Alright fellas, we got the TikTokers around here in coming up to Trafalgar Square now. In the centre of London, bruv. Gonna share this with my friends, you know? You know what I mean, bro?
Protest for Ukraine.
What?
Protest for Ukraine.
Oh, yeah, shit. But, walking up the big roads now. We're on our way. So, when we get to Forbidden Planet, I'll let you guys know. I start recording again. Right, stay around. I know I keep saying that I'll see you guys when I'm at Forbidden Planet, but I can't help myself. Look, we're at the whatever it is. I don't know. We've got the statues here.
Parliament.
Parliament.
It's Parliament.
Parliament. Right. So just gonna continue walking and talking until we get to Forbidden Planet, lads. Alright lads, we are almost there, so yes, stay tuned again for like the 1,000th fucking time. Alright lads, we are almost there. We're just coming up on it now. I can see it in sight, so I'll play the video when we're entering. Alright lads, we are now in Forbidden Planet. This is the collectible mania, you could say. Yes, everything alright here. I got that for a YouTube review. We got the Godzilla vs. Violante thing right there. Got some higher toy stuff here. This might go on YouTube, I'm not sure, maybe for a shot. I want to keep it as quick as possible. So yes. Alright guys, we got some Godzilla t-shirts right here. And some plushies. And finally have some different figures right here. Along with playmates. Okay guys, so yeah, this is all the GXK stuff right here. We got some Godzilla collectible minis for decent pricing, but they're key rings, so you got just minifigs here. Got some different bits right here. You got the raw masks of the GXK stuff. But there's also a lot of anime figures around here. A lot of Funko Pops, a lot of FNAF here, a lot of different things in the back. More stuff here. Different bits, like bigger pieces. Got even more anime figures. Place is full of anime figures. Shelves are full. Even more Funko Pops. This place doesn't stop with Funko Pops, I'm serious. So you just got t-shirts, things like that here. Jurassic Park, Star Wars, all sorts of things here, guys. So if you plan to have anything, it is in London, well, not in London, Westminster. So nearest to Trafalgar Square. You can come check all this out. They even have SH Figure Arts here. Shouldn't have no Ultraman figures, but got Aquaman here, they got the Batman, they got Flash, got some really popular stuff here, guys. So it is pretty much about 10 to 15 minutes away from Trafalgar Square. So yeah, come check it out. Alright guys, that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hello guys, got out of the planet, so I had to run for the bus with heavy backpacks on. Made it. We were at Trafalgar Square Station, but bus stop had to run in because the bus was coming. So yeah, we got there. We're on the bus. What a day! Alright, stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm home and safe with my Godzilla collection, and bloody hell, that was one heck of a day. We left at 1:15, got back at 6 o'clock, so, oof. Anyways, thanks for watching, see you guys soon, bye!